A major Chinese investor, Inner Galaxy Steel Company Limited, plans to invest $300 million in establishing a new steel plant in Ogun State to produce specialized steel products. The development of this project was disclosed by sources from the government of Nigeria. They noted that this investment aligns with the current administration's economic diversification policy under the Renewed Hope agenda, reflecting the company's confidence in the current administration to drive industrialization and boost the nation's prospects through the steel sector. Government representatives have assured the company of the federal government's commitment to providing an enabling environment and fiscal incentives to support sustainable operations. Since the project is still in the pipeline, the ministry noted that it will review the company's proposal and engage relevant authorities to explore concessionary benefits within the existing operational framework, emphasizing that these initiatives aim to attract and facilitate foreign direct investment in the country. Recently, the president of the Inner Galaxy Group stated that the group, which has been in operations in Nigeria for over 20 years with current investment in steel production in excess of $1 billion, is seeking the cooperation of the ministry to facilitate a further investment of $300 million for the establishment of a new steel plant in Nigeria for the production of specialized steel products like plate, angles, beams, and stainless products, amongst others. The investor noted that the investment is expected to increase the steel production output of the country, reduce Nigeria's reliance on imported specialized steel products, and conserve scarce foreign exchange with attendant employment generation opportunities. Both direct and indirect employment estimated at about 10,000, with other multiplier effects in the economy. During the presentation phase, the CEO of Stanbic IBTC was present. He actually assured the ministry of the bank's readiness to support the numerous initiatives of the ministry, especially the proposed industrial park with a free trade zone and CNG park at Ajaokuta Steel Territory. Currently, Nigeria, blessed with over 2 billion metric tons of iron ore reserves, is striving to position itself as a formidable player in the global steel sector. Despite facing significant challenges in the past, Nigeria is now well placed to harness its mineral wealth and enhance its steel production capacity. The global steel market is crucial for economic development, supporting key industries such as construction, automotive, infrastructure, and manufacturing. According to the World Steel Association, global steel production surpassed 1.8 billion tons, underscoring the material's importance in economic advancement and sustainability. Amid this backdrop, Nigeria, Africa's largest nation, stands on the brink of substantial progress in the steel industry. Historically, operational inefficiencies and unrealized potentials have hindered Nigeria's progress, but the country is uniquely poised to make a significant leap in the international steel market. The foundation of Nigeria's steel industry was laid in the late 20th century with the establishment of the Ajaokuta Steel Mill in 1979, envisioned as a catalyst for Nigeria's industrialization. The mill was expected to position Nigeria prominently on the global stage. However, due to various impediments such as mismanagement, corruption, and technical setbacks, the facility has remained largely underutilized. Despite these setbacks, Nigeria has produced approximately more than 950,000 tons of crude steel. According to the World Steel Association, the sector comprises a mix of state-owned enterprises and private players, including the Delta Steel Company and smaller rolling mills, contributing to the output predominantly for the construction industry. A critical barrier to the Nigeria steel industry advancement is the reliance on outdated technology in existing mills, notably at the Ajaokuta Steel Company Limited. This technological lag undermines production efficiency and product quality, inflating operational costs and diminishing global competitiveness. The lack of local expertise in modern steel manufacturing further exacerbates the situation, necessitating reliance on foreign technical assistance. Nigeria's current high inflation rate and fluctuating exchange rate present ongoing economic challenges. The capital-intensive nature of the steel industry requires substantial investment in technology, infrastructure, and raw materials. However, attracting this investment is difficult due to the unpredictable economic environment. Local businesses face challenges in obtaining funding due to high interest rates and strict borrowing criteria. Infrastructure deficit, particularly in transportation and power supply, severely impact the steel industry's operational efficiency. The lack of a reliable rail system for material transport and frequent power outages compels steel plants to generate their own electricity, significantly increasing cost production. Additionally, the absence of specialized port facility for bulk material handling poses logistical challenges. Despite government effort to foster the steel industry through various policies, Challenges in policy implementation, bureaucratic bottlenecks, and insufficient protection against unfair foreign competition hinders growth. A stable, predictable, and supportive policy and regulatory environment is crucial for the industry's success. Currently, the Nigerian steel market faces intense competition from cheaper imported steel, complicating domestic producers' ability to compete due to higher operational costs. The global shift towards environmental sustainability presents both challenges and opportunities for Nigeria's steel manufacturers to adopt greener production methods. To revitalize Nigeria's steel industry, leveraging domestic demand and fostering strategic partnership is crucial. The foundation for expanding Nigeria's steel industry significantly rests on its rapidly growing domestic market, driven by urbanization, infrastructure development, and industrialization efforts. Government dedication to enhancing national infrastructure spanning transportation, housing, and energy projects generates substantial demand for steel. Also, establishing a vertically integrated steel industry encompassing the entire spectrum of production from mining to manufacturing finished products position Nigeria to achieve significant cost efficiencies, elevate product quality, and bolster competitiveness. Strategic partnerships, both domestic and international, are essential for infusing the industry with necessary capital, technology, and expertise. This partnership promises to modernize existing infrastructures, initiate new projects, and play a significant role in workforce development. One thing to note is that if the new trend of industrialization in Ogun State continues, in no distant future, the state will be one of the richest states in Nigeria. Besides the strong rumor of striking crude oil somewhere in the state, it is already jostling for a space among the oil-rich states of the Niger Delta region, not on the account of oil production, but that of industrialization. Quietly, the state's economic power is growing increasingly by the day, evolving with the time and attracting global attention. The choice of Ogun State as the site of this project is not a mistake, as currently Ogun State is experiencing a massive industrial boom. Currently, direct investors are shunning Lagos State in the last 6 years, preferring rather to set up plants in Ogun State. The elephant in the room is the constant harassment of corporate organizations in Lagos by touts unleashed by local government to collect multiple taxes and levies. Major investors also complain that traffic and Apapa port congestion in Lagos also makes movement of trucks and lives difficult. They say that land tenure system in Lagos has been tougher, making business expansion in Lagos strenuous. Little wonder more industries are moving into Ogun State to establish. With this project coming on board, Nigeria's steel industry is poised for significant growth with an integrated and strategic approach focusing on technological innovation, substantial financial investment, infrastructural development, and supportive policies. Also, the strategic alignment of resources, policies, and stakeholder collaborations will be paramount in overcoming existing barriers and achieving a global competitive and sustainable steel industry in Nigeria. It is therefore important to note that this project will not only rejuvenate Nigeria's steel sector, but also set a foundation for sustainable development, showcasing Nigeria's commitment to leveraging its industrial capabilities for a prosperous future.